opening Skyroot Chest and grow a garden.
This was given to me a few years ago by my grandfather. It was given to him originally by
You're gonna open 5 here.
Which was in Brooklyn, New York, where my grandfather.
The first one didn't count. All right, 1.
He moved to Florida in the early '60s and it sat in a sock, in a box,
2.
in a closet for the past.
See what we can get. Oh, we were close to a griffin. It's like 2 away back there. Come on. We're hoping for a cyclamen or a griffin. Hopefully a cyclamen, because I already have 3 griffins. I just want 1 cyclamen. Just 1. They're the same rarity. They're both 1%. Come on, we can do this. Okay, we might be opening a little more than 5, actually. You know, I got like 30 something, so we might as well just go. All right, Calla Lily. Oh, lagging. Technical difficulties. Elk. Come on. All right, watch this. This next one, we're going to only watch the middle. And we got a mandrake, of course. Come on. Let's go. All right, you guys think we can do this? You guys think we got something? All right, let's see how many chests we have. We got 16 chests left. Do we think we can get a 1%? I think we can. Come on. Right there. Boom. I'm feeling it this time. This is it. Okay. Well, Calla Lily. It's not bad. Oh, I was so close. I was 2 away. And then we got a stupid mandrake. Oh, past a griffin. Dang, I feel like Calla Lily is way more common than it should be. Same with mandrake. It took me 2 days into this event to get a Calla Lily, and now I can't stop getting them. Come on. Just need 1 cyclamen. Just 1. And then I will have 100% completed this event. A golden goose, a princess thorn, 3 griffins, and a cyclamen. That's 100% completion. Oh my gosh, I got a griffin. Let's go. Let's go. And I have it on video. Oh, let's go. All right, hey, it's not a cyclamen, but it's still a 1%, and it's still a divine that'll be very rare soon. Let's finish off these chests. I mean, now our luck just got reset, so probably won't get anything good, but hey, it's worth a try. Imagine we get a cyclamen in here too. That would actually be insane. Or a second griffin in this batch of chests. Crown of Thorns. Come on, watch. I predict the next one is an elk. Watch. Oh, so close. It's a Crown of Thorns. I predict mandrake. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That's okay. It's an elk. I predict cyclamen. Oh, last chest. Oh, elk. Alright, hey, you know, I'm happy with that. Now, before we go, let's open a couple seed packs. Pack. There we go. Okay, it's kind of due. Kind of hard to do. Sorry I have to record through my phone, but for some reason my streaming service won't work. So, awesome. Alright, we got a mangosteen. I'm gonna open 6. Alright, that's 2. If you're wondering why I'm doing 6 specifically, it's because I had 66. And it's nice to just... Actually, I think I had 65, but, you know, whatever. If we get a second Princess Thorn, that would be so awesome. You know, nah, we'll go to 50. Might as well. We'll do a couple more. Alright, so we're at 61. So, oh, oops. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry, guys. Alright. 10 more packs, officially. Watch me go down. And then boom, it's a Dusk Puff. Whoa. Mangosteen. Come on. Need a second Princess Thorn. It'd be so tough. Got one over there growing. You know, I did the sprinkler method on it, but it just didn't work. I don't know why, it just didn't work. Come on. Oh wait, how many have we done? Okay, we got 5 more packs. That's 5 chances to get a 0.5. That's not great odds, but, you know, we're pretty crazy. So. We're quite the crazy fellows here on this channel. I think we got it, right, guys? Probably talking to like 2 people right now, but hey, you know, that's 2 more people than I thought it would be. Okay, 2 more packs. Lock in. Oh, that's not good. That's a lot of Flare Daisies in a row. Last pack. Let's go. We got this. Go. Oh, I was 1 away. I was 1 away. I'm doing 5 more. It's not gambling, it's luck testing. Oh, I just left my seat. Well, we can't get anything good if we're not in the seat. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulty. Okay, we're good. How many? We're doing more. More Flare Daisy. Nihanzaru, Griffin. I placed my Nihanzaru? Oops. Did not mean to do that. Pick him right back up. Alright. Come on. Oh, it's a Dusk Puff. Let's go. Alright, 5 more. Then we're actually done. Dusk Puff, not great. Oh, Princess Thorn is right there! We were 3 away! Oh! 5 away. We're getting farther. This isn't good. This isn't good. You don't want to be getting farther. Alright, 2 more packs after this one. Dusk Puff. Awesome. Hey, you know, I'll take it. At least it's something. Let's go! Okay, last pack. Lock in. It's our last chance to get the Princess Thorn. Man, oops, I misclicked. Oops, I misclicked. Don't worry, guys, this is planned. Alright. My original plan for this video was to go to 40, but you know what? We'll go to 35 for the fans. Dusk Puff. Okay. Actual last try. Go. Flare Daisy. Okay, nope, I'm done. Well, hey, you know, it was a decent haul. We got a Griffin. We'll take that. Acting like that's mid, but I mean, hey, that's a 1%. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Remember, guys, stay crazy. I actually can't. I'm sorry. I cannot say that for videos. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that grew fast. Dang. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.